To purchase an IATA course online, self-study course, go to Google, type as IATA Customer Portal. Then click on IATA Customer Portal link. It will take you next window. Here it will ask you create new user. Click on that link. It will ask your email ID. Give your email ID and click next. They will send you a verification email to your email and then click here. So your email ID is verified. Now they will ask you to set your password. The password should be combination of uppercase, lowercase, special case and numerics. Save and login. That's it. Your portal ID is created. Now I will show you how to purchase the course. For that, I will log in with my regular ID. So it will be easy for me. I am logging out this. So this is my regular ID. Login. It will take you to the home page. It will look like this, and just scroll down. You will be able to see some services. Here click on training platform. It will take you to the another window. Here to purchase your course, click on product search. Again it will take to you another window. Here search for your course, which course you want to purchase. Suppose I want to purchase foundation course with Amadeus, foundation in travel and tourism, and click on search now. So it will show you the related courses. Here I want to purchase foundation in travel and tourism with Amadeus course. Click on that link. It will redirect to purchase the course. Again here it is showing two options. One is ebook and one is printed. Ebook means you have to study online. Printed means they will send you the course material by courier. Of course, the shipping charges will be added. Scroll down. Now you have to click on online exam because you are giving your exam online. Select the time zone. I am purchasing the course from India. India time zone is plus 5:30. So I have to select that. Now I have to select the exam date, on which date I want to give my online exam. Suppose I want to write the exam on 31st of October. Click on that. Time also I have to mention. It will show you 24 hours time. 0:10 means midnight, 12:10. So I want to write my exam around 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is not there, so I am taking 10:20. Select 10:20 and submit booking. Now I have to give my card details to purchase the course. Here we have to give the address. Make sure to give correct address because the course material will come to that address only. and then here we have to give the card details. It may be credit card or debit card. Give the card details and agree the terms and conditions. Click on pay. That's it. Here if you observe, shipping fee is added. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your purchase. Now once again I will go to the training platform. I wanted to show you something. Click on training platform. So here it will show you the current course like this: open course. Click on the open course. It will show you the options. So it will show you course details and e-textbook, any attachments, everything will be here. On exam date, the first column, detail, instead of details it will show as launch exam. You have to click on that. You have to download Proctor also for your exam. Thank you for watching.